So many of you can you pay opportunity na agwakwana shi many of you na-ekwukwe na jenta amụ na jenta bekee unu ga-arịkwa kiafọ nagode kiafọ maka achị ụzọ ma mma agaghị nga abụọ okenye na-amaghị egbu okenye arụ ọrụ so ka ịma nke ọzọ mmụọ aga agba gị na jenta orento maka na mmụọ aga agba gị na ọnwụla ma aga m agbakwanụ gị na jenara igbe bute ụzọ na ọrụ ndụ maka na ọnwụla maka mmadụ agwama gị na je mekọp na-egidele maka na egidebe nwanne time shall come before 31st you go to hear the sound before 31st of December you go to hear the sound.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 21st of November 2025, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. The Biafran Liberation Boys are planning to take a revenge because the government of Nigeria has already sentenced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment. So the Biafrans, the men on ground, they are not happy about it at all. Now, according to this Biafran guy, he said that NJ Makeup, Gentle Yahoo, Igwe Butuzo, and some other commanders are on the ground right now planning on how to take revenge based on what has been happening and based on the people that sabotage Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and how they have plotted to sentence Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment, and they have succeeded, and right now they are going to take revenge on all the evil politicians we have in Biafran land. So listen to this Biafran guy as he is explaining every details of what is going to take place.
Ana m na ndị ara eburule moto baa n'obodo eburule ha moto tanka amakwanụ m sometimes Nigeria gịnị ka a na-akpị ya sef oleda ha country no Nigeria zoo akwa all these zoo country zoo army people them I know the reason. I know that's not the thing sef mmadụ bịa na ya shi na ahụ gedi na ahụ bugala oge gide kwensu ta komodia you go fit catch devil. You know where devil they stay for underground and they gidi ikuku n'aka ikuku amala onya ihe mo Biafra ahụ nwanne whether you like it or not you get when we are untouchable. I want untouchable. Touch blah kind. Come on there, where you put come they tell you who no go no now who go now you go no Mano umuchukwu kada ma anyị ya ihe agbaga ebe owe egwuregwu ihe agbaga ebe ọ gwụchala witchcraft onye ọbụla winch or wizard oya nwere na-aga share this life because once you were Biafra once you were lovers of Biafra iso na ahịa anụ ga one day ga na share the video you go to love our page you go to follow the comment no be chat owo nwanyị anabeghị ebe igwu egwu anyị akpa achọ mmadụ onye ọbụla chọrọ ọrụ anya ahịa awụ nsogbu nwanne ọkwa ụmụ mmiri ụmụ chukwu oke abịa ma we believe on action we know the joke we not come here to play so Commander Obrinze ọwụ gị bịa gashi idire ụmụ nga gị na ha bịa achọ nwanne ụmụ nga gị je hegide civilians agbacha ha hegide civilians ha abịa bịa gbanishi na buru innocent people na asị na ha egidele ndị ụmụ nga gị gide ka awụkpa anyị ọwụkwa erekwa nye for member ha gide ha na-egide wọdị blood civilians gaga n'ụzọ so ọwụ gị bageji ụmụ nga gị shi ha bịa gide meni ọmọrọkpọrọ n'obiso na wa for you abi ndị ofili na-abịa ya ababa igwe egwu so Commander Obrinze gị mara ihe get where it guys are gone, yeah, walk out, would you? You are. So many of you can you pay opportunity na agwakwana shi many of you na-ekwukwe na jenta anwụ na jenta mbe keme unu ga-arịkwa kiafọ nagode kiafọ maka achị ụzọ ma mma agaghị nga abụọ okenye na-amaghị idegbu okenye arụ ọrụ so ka ma nke ọzọ mmụọ aga agba gị na jenta orento maka na mmụọ aga agba gị na ọnwụla ma aga m agbakwanụ gị na jenara igbe bute ụzọ na ọrụ ndụ maka na ọnwụla maka mmadụ agwama gị na je makeup na egidele maka na egidebe nwanne time shall come before 31st you go to hear the sound before 31st of December you go to hear the sound okay so now I'm Uche go share this live, follow this page for more updates. Uche gị na-agakwa n'ụzọ na ga-arịkwa careful because this time na ihe abaga na awụ mba montu share this page, share this live. Ihe agaga na awụ gịnị ka na-akpịa all this start to them. Ha bịa na-agarị gọvanọ abịa nụ ihe just deme gịnị ka na-akpịa all this criminal release ndị nọ na cell si na ha bịa wụrụ ndị sat amụchara m ka nnụ gbarịga yesterday na street in I see all of you amụchara m ka nnụ gbarịga achọrọ ịgụrụ na a ga-agụrụ nụ but we just overlook achọrọ ịgụrụ nụ go just a ga-agụrụ gị ka azọ wee egwuregwu so nụ na-agbarị nụ na-efile eshe na ahụ gacha nụ we see all of you na go dey careful na Biafra land na you dey I go dey careful. Once you misbehave, you go collect woto, no be choice. Once you misbehave, you go collect woto, no be choice. Habia no big day in here, innocent people, and has no day umuchuko kabiama. Then on dara. Anano me go fee him. If I put more, maybe man say no. A question na be ni more. On na be no abikwe n'ụlọ ọkwa naanị n'ime ọha ka abịa amekwa ụlọ amaghị ha na-eme so amaghị ha na-eme even sef ndị bi n'ime ọha sef ka ha rịdị mma sef emesọ mens ndị bikwe n'ime ọhịa ọkwa ndị nọkwa n'ụzọ ihe ọ bụ egbo onye obi kara obi ka gị ga-apụta obi n'aka ahụ gị nwanne gị aba ha oke iche ga-etu ga-emetazi ga-agbatu ga-agazi dara side emetazi ga-agazi dara side oke nsọwanụ so na-agba mbọ ihe agbaga ebe ewu woto ihe agbaga ebe ewu woto ọmụ awụzuku ọmụ awụzuku àwọn na atọ ụjọ mmụọ na mmadụ ihe nwụwa n'ime ọta half human half spirit na only once wey man dey die na only once wey woman dey die only I no dey fear any man I no dey fear any woman any man wey dey carry water dey put for him wey dey carry water dey drink I no dey fear am me I be water pikin if you no know may you know if you no know may you know. So I be half human, half spirit. Owe egwuregwu. Anyị abịaghị ya abịa church.
This guy also exposed that the Fulani bandits has already entered Imo State because they already know that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be held incapacitated. That Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is going to be held down by the government. If it is a total planned, a master plan to sentence Mazen Nnamdi Kanu so that they will just hold him there in perpetuity and giving the herdsmen freedom to penetrate the Biafra land. So this guy here, this Biafran guy, exposed all their plans and what is already going on or happening. in Biafra land.
What did happen for Imo State? Hausa people don't enter. Oh. Fulani people they don't enter. Bandits. If nobody they call bandits, they don't enter. Mona dey for here, they sleep. If not like, Mona no guide on herself. Mona no wake up, guide. Honorable guide you me na. You don't believe me? Ije chomegi na. Die chomegi. Hausa people now they don't enter. Aba ala Imo State. Okay, guregu. So get this video, share ya. Any one, honorable Imo State, share this video. That was about Aqua Imo State or we guregu. I wonder which one a governor they do. Na stupid governor. Or they call who put them. Now we vote am. Now we be Nigeria youth. We vote and we keep am for there. Now we still go carry and count down. Just like we see the call now. Tinubu. Enough is enough. We will be Nigeria youth. We vote and keep am for there. Now so we go use our hand carry and count down. Na papa dey sick, pikin dey sick. Who go treat each other? Na pikin dey bury papa, no be papa dey bury pikin. If you no know me, you know. Na pikin dey bury papa, no be papa dey bury pikin. So Tinubu, you no go leave Aso Rock. See if you wan fly, you dey go America, dey go abroad. Alpha, Rock Dada, IB, they done. Assalamu alaikum. So now wetin I dey tell you, as Tinubu dey now, you no go tell me say no that way. Say these people they don't come Imo State, and that Ali Imo State. But my G, I'm on to wetin dey sup now. But under Aqua Imo State or Ukwe Guregu. That Aqua Imo State. So no blame edit video na. Eh man, dey feel rich maybe. I better have baby church mokano or here group anything. On the on our sobly, what don't you on a shoemaker, on your carpenter, on your home, the Guineca on a rap boy, Chomania. No, a 2x2, where they're quiet making hi. I talk they laugh. But I think on our sobly when I chomia. Because the man had better na that be. The worst mistake we go do now to allow our man making the stay for your compound where they stay. We maybe house where they beat, they don't abandon them. At 1 hour man go stay there. Next tomorrow you go send, you go carry another person come. These people, their mind is there for their back. This their mind is there for their back. Oh hey great. I will be boy, you know about I don't know Bodo. Okay, man, and I'm Kurukuru. Over here, I say, ma go chawalino, ma go chop rice and beans for mama put over. After all these people, no be small, no be one, no be two. Oh, these people carry bike, They carry bike, outside people. I say, from north, they come, from north, they did too, the back, if it's machine where they carry, I ask myself, yeah. You are the people they come from. Some of them carry this this 911 we they like pick up. Oh boy. Trump don't give them run though. Trump don't give them run. Now they don't enter Imo State now. Imo State. I don't they laugh. Say me everybody muna guide you myself. Muna dey careful. Me will be Zuko. One of Facebook they tell you now. Biafra content creator. Muna dey careful. Mona dey careful. All these Hausa people themselves, me I no go fit do anything or I no go fit negotiate with any Hausa man wey dey see for road. Because all these people they don't want peace. They don't want peace. Anything we concern their mind there for their back. Now make it they see this Biafra way they fight now. Say them now they know they happy. They know the support of this Biafra way they fight. Na inside bush now I do. Na inside bush now I dey. See my mate now dey sleep. Now I dey had to protect una. Now I dey had to protect the guide una. Na Hausa man now I see for road already. I ask and say how far Hausa Abukina. He say I ask and say wetin make I feel ask you question. He say yes. I say wetin make una no dey gree na no one maybe Biafra come. The man hand out ashing him. Why you go green and maybe Biafra come? Say if Biafra come now, say them now they don't lose. Oh, they even know say boy, game on a hand you can Biafra game on a gonna be shape berike, shoot you book adiama, I hear you to come corporate game on a hand you can Biafra. Or what how long you which is and wizard enemy of Biafra, all I want to I share the video. Man, I want to see we lovers of Biafra, you a follower, you a citizen, indigenous of Biafra, an Igbo man or Igbo woman or lady or girl or boy, or even small pikin or old mama, old papa, you go share this video. You go share them. If I talk, I go say the talk back. I will start people that don't enter Imo State, full. Bandits don't enter. The men terrorists now don't come Imo State. The men everything when now they call talk from A to Z in the happen. Everything went talk from A to Z. So if you know what is good for you, if na market where you get, where they use the guide yourself, sharpen and wear. If na juju where you get, guide am time for your belly, hold and wear. Me I no go tell you say I get or I no get. Now you no be the same. You no know what is the guide me, I no know what is the guide you. When he say it, you go with your head, carry your own. Me, I go with my own head to armor. So now so it be. You go they do business with Hausa man. They happy say, Hausa they do business with them. Say in the legit. If you wanna do business, say no problem, no quarrel. Hausa people they don't like people. They don't like. Who tell you those nonsense? You know, who not talk. Who they yam all those rubbish? Who they tell on all those nonsense they wanna they talk? If I was someone do you something for your life, you go regret. Huh? I reckon, Commander. If I was someone do you something, you go regret.
Although the lawyers of Mazen and Kalu are telling people to calm down, that they are going to appeal, that they believe that the Supreme Court or the Appeal Court is going to quash that life sentence. Yes, that they are going to stop it. But, well, let's keep fingers crossed. I don't really know if that is going to work out, because I believe this is an agreement. All of them are the same people. I believe it is an agreement, but it doesn't mean that God cannot intervene. The God of Biafra land will surely intervene, and I believe that Mazen Nandekalo is not going to be kept there, life imprisonment. No, he's not. He will surely come out. That is my own belief.
My people, now good evening. Just because many of you have been calling me, let everybody calm down. We are filing our notice appeal tomorrow, and be rest assured, the judgment is going to be set aside, because this is not judgment at all. If you are doubting me, I will get the CTC of the judgment tomorrow. I will give it to you and the record of proceedings. You will now discover that the judge left what issues that we raised. He left everything that we are talking about and be writing another thing. So that judgment, it was predicated on anger. It just Mazen and Carlo has insulted me. I will show him that I'm a judge. That's all. That's all. It's not predicated on law at all. A matter that was not investigated. The judge, you rejected the statement of Mazen and Carlo, the DSS wanted to tender. Now, if a matter that was not investigated, there was no statement, there was no investigation report, on what basis are you giving judgment? Issues of the whole Mazen and Carlo race, you did not even address it. You are talking about bombing Britain, British High Commission, bombing American Embassy. All those things doesn't make sense at all. We are filing our appeal tomorrow. We are going to set it aside. Let everybody calm down. Thank you and God bless you.
Are you also recording or videoing?
Enough here is for you. Go for it.
And you convicting for terrorism for mere words in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. What kind of president is being made? So from here, we are heading to the Court of Appeal, the Court of appeal is the only court or the next court that sits as a case. We are going to approach justices there to check out what happened in court today. And we are pretty sure the justices will agree with us that today was the symbol of the travesty of justice that everybody has been suspecting all along. The court of appeal disagrees with us, we head to the Supreme Court. But by that almighty imagine man, he's not going to stand convicted. He's going to get his form.
Who is this man now?
I'm not gonna go down now. Just cover the camera.
This judgment is dedicated on my anger. Thank God that the judgment
This Baba hates it.
and everybody watch it. You will see the anger in the judgment. It's not dedicated on law. Now, I also want to let you know that this charge, that the investigation that gave rise to this charge was not investigated because Martin Amicano's statement, purported statement, was rejected by this court. And they did not tender any document as investigation report. That is to say, the investigation was not, the offense was not investigated. How to say that? Also, something has happened in court. Martin cannot file the matter because of that thing. What shall we do now? That particular matter, I found it also anchored on this black issue. Please suspend this judgment. Let's talk about it directly. Now, on the issue of anger, you journalists will deal with it. Will deal with national government.
I'm using
the judicial and officer to make national mechanic. What do I mean? National was giving judgment by court of appeal. Federal government refused to comply with that judgment by court of appeal until after 8 days before the appeal.
You got your hand, you are blocking camera.
Speak up is directed prosecution what to do. And then this particular charge, National was saying that please can you amend this charge? The combined effect of all this, I'm assuring you that this judgment will not stand. The court of appeal will do justice. I also want to plead with the judicial. National is representing himself because the court has reading the prosecution that gets to file his appeal because he had 90 days to file his appeal. And the judge said, and also enjoy the media. We have the record of proceedings. This one, all of them are only our shows. I want you to check the record of proceedings and evidence standard. Reconcile it with the judgment. Now see what we're talking about. We are bringing British into this matter, bringing America into this matter. We are now trying to so that GTV. So this is a judgment against the Igbos.
And Mazen Nandekalo's wife has also made her own statement concerning the judgment passed on her husband, Mazen Nandekalo. How they just intimidated her husband, sending her husband life imprisonment. Why the real Boko Haram people, the real terrorists are free out there, just going on their normal basics. Even if in any way that the government captures them, at the end they will not be sent to any life imprisonment. No, government will even release them, saying that they have repented, But once it comes to an Igbo man, once it comes to a Biafran man, the case will no longer be the same. They will now bring out all their eyes to intimidate and to buy the person. But Mazen Nandekalo will surely come out.
Judgment. How interesting. How interesting. I've had to quickly tweet and post the the travesty of justice today regarding how Omotosho ignored the Constitution's requirement that no one can be convicted under an unwritten or unknown offense. He forced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to take a plea under a repealed law, which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused. So show me where it is written before I can enter into a defense. And that never happened. Omotosho refused blatantly, flagrantly, to issue written rulings on serious applications. So you could hear him reading, you could hear him counting thousands of lines of hours of accounts. But then he refused to issue a written ruling, which he ought to have done first, but never did. He told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to put all objections in a final address, then blocked the final address. So if you were Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you will be as outraged as Mazi was this afternoon. You cannot ask me to put my final address, put it down, write it down, and then you block it. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has right, is his right, to put a final address down, to write it down. But Omotosho blocked that and decided to read out those nonsense he called counts. And he refused to, first of all, decide whether he even had the power to try the case. We kept talking about jurisdiction. I have always talked about jurisdiction. Nigeria government has no right to try Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He who comes to law must come with equity, or he who comes to equity must come with clean hands, rather, excuse me. So it's also in the spirit. If I'm going somewhere to lay a complaint about someone, I ought not to have done something, rather lay a complaint first. So Nigerian government decided to take Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya, They kidnapped him, tortured him. After 8 days, they brought him to Nigeria, and then decided to try him under a repealed law, which we have refused. So a few gaps there where we should have stood on our discharge and acquitted and stood by it. Regardless, that would be revisited, and we are going to appeal. Of course, we are not going to sit down and fold our arms for Nigerian government to deliver something that they have planned, a verdict that they have written years before now. We won this case. They were not happy about it. They went to Supreme Court, even though the Supreme Court messed around with the whole judgment, but they did say to them, you are trialing him on a wrong law, change it. Nigeria never changed it. Where is the treasonable felony gone? Where is the location of the crime? Where is the location of the crime? Did Omotosho mention it? No. One of the reasons I came on live is to point at just one single point, or one single loophole. Omotosho cannot give a verdict on an evidence that was not inclusive in the previous, or the evidence tendered in court. Everyone keeps shouting, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, burn down this, kill the policemen. What were the policemen doing? Policemen were shooting protesters who were unarmed. But that aside, did any person come to court? Was there a witness in the court who came in to say, I committed this crime? Or was there a person that the police or the DSS or the Nigerian government brought into the court and said, this person committed this crime because Nnamdi Kanu incited them? None whatsoever. So in Omotosho's verdict, he was counting everything, and he counted about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wanting the British embassy to be burnt down and Katrina Lang murdered. How on earth? How is that? So you see, when I say that the Nigerian government and all their nonsense is of kakistocratic nature, it is not a joke. It is not a joke. So with all the maxed people in the court who kept saying, I'm unaware, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, this is where Nigerian government wants to go. This is where they want to go to. Or life imprisonment. He would have mentioned death sentence then. Why didn't he mention it? He should have said death sentence. The thing is, we're not here to make any noise, but to continue to tell our people that this is an orchestrated pattern. We know the hands behind this. The British government being brought into this very case in order to say, oh, Martin Nnamdi Kanu is international. Take this point, international terrorist. They are stupid. You know, this is the same. This is the kind of person who would be in an examination hall. They would give him copied whatever, and he would copy both the person, his matriculation number, and the person who gave him a note to copy from. He would copy everything. So even though you can see that Omotosho was reading a script handed over to him just this morning or last night, he was just coming to court to read it out, not to analyze anything, not to actually pass judgment. It is right there before. They think Trump is not intelligent. Is that what they think? They think the American government is as kakistocratic as they are? No. For them to rise and say that there is Christian genocide in Nigeria, it means that they have done their work. They have all the evidence. So these scripts, when someone gives you a script to read, you have to act the part. These people are so kakistocratic, they cannot even act a script. Omotosho could barely read out the verdict. He didn't know the words. They were handed over to him, and he was reading something that was never ever mentioned in the court. You cannot pass a judgment based on excluded evidence. You cannot just by yourself put in something that you feel you need to add to pass judgment on an innocent man. Martin Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. There are terrorists running around in Omotosho's village. Is it Eruka? They recently attacked location by ISWAP. We have one of our brothers who was just murdered 2 days ago by the same ISWAP. How many of them have they convicted? None whatsoever. None. But it is Martin Nnamdi Kanu. This is right before his eyes. They're running around. You can't. When he said to you, you cannot. You cannot, because you have no evidence of, no shred, or no proof, no shred at all. Excuse me.
This Biafran guy is calling for revenge based on one of the Biafran liberation boys that we abide by name Ushe. So this guy is calling for revenge, that Ushe need to be revenged, that they need to buy people that buy Ushe. Listen to him.
Today, being 10th of November 2025, Biafra or nothing, Umoma people, nah, no gama here, no gama here, all of us of Biafrans, I greet you people. No gama here, no gama here. This our brother will die. The death is not an ordinary death. With this boy can they with him, boy. With this boy can they with him. Any day will help by now self. In my help, man, I'm helping them mother galana na. Man on black, I said 3 boys need to go down, no be choice. I need to talk about sweet, no be choice. I said 3 boys, they need to go down. By this time now, I saw this Ojo there. They go need to go down. Biafra nothing. More than 5 what you I go do. This boy dead, they pay me. As I wake up, self, I they look, I don't imagine, say, which kind of thing be this? If person tell me say my G go die, I no go believe her. I no go believe her. They pay me because say me I be one for. You know comparison. Me I be one for. No matter say me I never belong. But yes, wetin I dey do dey sweet me. Wetin I dey do dey sweet me. And now make I dey use my hand sef. They even encourage most of una. Abeg, more find wetin you go do. Abeg about this guy death. You dey get? Because this thing will happen. I no wan make repeat again. Biafra or nothing. Biafra or nothing. I believe say you dey hear me. Na man you be. You dey get? So, mo know wetin you go do. Gather your men them. Gather Obiakpo men them. Make they come. Make they enter. Gather men them. Make they enter streets. Make they find men on black them now. Now wow. Let me go tell you wetin you go do. Wait, man, he get me. Even I went more. My brother, may your soul rest in peace. May your soul rest in peace. Now me be Zuko, aka the Biafra content creator. We know they too. Put call, may they tell you.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Do us a favor to subscribe with us and share this video, and let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.